Okay, removing the handbrake cable out of the handbrake arm on a Mitsubishi L200. Yeah, 1990. Looks like I've got to take this screw off here. Trying to do this one-handed, sorry. Make sure you don't lose it. And so that's out of the way. I believe. Yeah. Pull this little lever here, and that allows it to come out a little bit further there. As you can see, cable has popped itself out. There you go. Sorry about the bad video. And obviously, to replace it, you keep that out there, pop the new one in. Obviously, you've got to lift this lever here to give you that extra length on that end. Hope that helps someone. That's for a Mitsubishi L200, year 1990. The rest of it under the vehicle self-explanatory really, but this is the one that's a bit of a pain. Okay, to feed the cable back through, you've got to take this wheel off again. It's pretty self-explanatory. This has got to come off. Push the pin through, and the wheel comes off. When you remove the wheel, it allows you to put the cable through, yeah? Because the cable has got to sit on there. Yeah. It's got to sit on there like that. Okay, and go through that hole there, like that.